I got this new juicer that I am about to try. It is a Hamilton Beach. Don't remember the make of it. I don't know if this is code for the make. I'll have that in the description box. I'll look for it. But we finna see what it do. That's how loud it is, guys. And that's on low. So we finna start with the carrots. Oh my God. Woo! That is how much juice just from half of a big carrot, y'all. That's some nice juice. I ain't finna hold you, so I'm finna finish the rest. Okay, y'all. That's how much juice I made. I'm gonna taste it to see if I need to add another apple. But I'm excited. Okay, the instructions said to put like a plastic bag where it catches the pulp at. Then that way the cleanup is easier. So we're gonna see how well that does. And so let's take this out and let's look inside. Look how clean that looks. And right here, that's nice and clean, guys. So I'm gonna take this off to see how much is in that bag. Okay, it's barely stuff in that bag, y'all. I can still use this bag. And look, it's stuff up there stuck up. So if I just hit that down, it'll fall in the bag. Dang. Okay, y'all, let's try it. But first off, look how much juice it made. I think this is like 8-ounce cup. I'm not sure, but that's a nice size cup compared to my head. You already see. So let's give it a try. Y'all, this is super good. Praise be to God, because I got a whole lot of carrots. This is super good. The juicer is super easy to use. Y'all saw I didn't peel anything. I put everything as is. I didn't even cut up that apple season all. And look how smooth. Can y'all see how smooth? Boom, 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 smooth. Y'all, I highly recommend that juicer. I'll put it in my storefront, my Amazon storefront, if y'all interested in it. Y'all, cheers. New year, new me, what it do? Delicious.